Want to gain a competitive advantage in your UK visa application? Become a channel member and unlock the exclusive benefits to maximize your chances of success. Our members save money with expert guidance and exclusive resources. See for yourself. The member badges keep changing as per the duration of membership held. To begin with, you get the orange badge in the first month. After the first month, the badge color changes to brown, and after the 2 months it becomes blue, and subsequently the design of the badge keeps changing from the point of 6 months being a member, 12 months, 36 months, 48 months, etc. So see for yourself the colors of the member badges and see how long members have continued to be members since they are getting value from their membership. The different types of membership: become a Visa Navigator for just $199, and the perks are: get priority answers during live Q&As. During any live Q&As, if you come and ask your questions, members are given priority. Secondly, exclusive access to member-only Q&As. So there will be Q&As where only members can ask questions. All other viewers can just watch. They cannot ask the questions. So in those Q&As, you can ask your questions and get answered. Get early access to new videos and stay ahead of the curve and gain valuable insights before anyone else. So there are early access videos which will help you gain exclusive knowledge and valuable insights into visa applications. Loyalty badges that shows you are a part of a thriving community of UK visa applicants. Member only emojis. And the second level, we only have two levels, two tiers. So the first tier is Visa Navigator. The second one is Home Office Insider for just $299. You get all the privileges of Visa Navigator. Along with that, you get step-by-step guides to fill visa application forms, member-only videos featuring in-depth analysis, case studies, and advanced strategies not available to regular viewers. By becoming a member, you gain a deeper understanding of the UK visa process, increase your chances of a successful visa application, directly support the channel's mission to provide free and accessible UK visa information. So don't delay, click the join button below this video to become a member today. Thank you.